Hey, what's up, mi gente? It's Louis the Boiler Man. Wepa. Guys, we're in Brooklyn, New York. That's right, my hometown, because I'm originally from Brooklyn. So we're actually here working in a laundromat. They actually need hot water. Their hot water went out because their boiler crapped out. So they called me. They found us on Google and they said, you're the man for the job. We need hot water, and without hot water, you cannot run at least the business of cleaning clothes or any type of laundromat, because the biggest essential or the biggest tool they have here in a laundromat is hot water. In this case, a boiler that's making the hot water. So what we're actually working on this particular boiler, it's actually on the tubes. There's 21 tubes in total. They're 2 inches in diameter, about 46.5 inches long, and they all rupture due to corrosion, just wear and tear when you're dealing with water. Water, remember, has a lot of mineral deposits, has calcium. It's just the water here is a little hard. So throughout the course of the years, they just ruin the tubes. So come inside, let me show you what it takes to become Louis the Boiler Man for one day. Come on. We're in the favorite part of the building, the boiler room, baby. That's right. This is what it takes to fix this particular boiler. And actually, I got my boy Chica in the back. Say hello, Chica.
What's up?
That's right. Chica gets the job done, just like my boy Julio here. So right now we're working on the tubes. So the pipe is 2 inches in diameter and the gauge is 10 gauge. All that means is the thickness of the pipe. So we work on that right now as we speak. Julio's doing right now at the very moment, he's actually flaring up the actual tube. So what it is once you have the tube in place, we're creating a flare. That's always on that. The flares that actually creates the seal. So this is the pipe, he flares it up and he opens up the tube. So now instead of being 2 inches, maybe like 2 1/4. So it's expanded. So when it expands and touches the tube sheet, you create a seal. We worked on all boilers. He had to call about 5 different contractors.
Low pressure.
He said it himself. Say it again, Julio.
High pressure and low pressure. And
boilers.
A mí también, inclúyeme a mí. Yo soy tu macho. That's my man there. He's been here 40 years.
So who's the woman in the relationship?
He is. Julio. He is.
No job, big or small. There's nothing that Louis the Boiler Man does not do. So because we work on residential, commercial, oil, gas, small boilers, big boilers, it does not matter. Like, just like Julio said, low pressure or high pressure boilers, it does not matter.
And welding.
And of course, I don't want to leave that out, but he just beat me to it. And welding. I am the man, I am the go-to guy for boilers. So if you need Louis the Boiler Man to help you out with any of your boiler needs, you can always call Louis the Boiler Man at 516-377-5200. Wepa. Alright guys, so Chico's in the back of the boiler right now, finishing up the last 21 tubes. So right now we're working in the front. So Julio already finished all these tubes, they're already done. So now that you can see them all done, look how nice it looks. We gotta pull out all the old pipes out from the boiler. Once it's all done and cleaned up, then we gotta insulate it. This actually is the front wall of the cover. It looks like this. this has an insulator here, a piece of insulation that protects this piece of metal. You gotta clean it up, and then we're gonna put the board back together. Once it's together, then we also gotta put the coil back together. Coil is something like this. It's called a mixing valve. This is what mixes the water with the cold and hot. Make sure you don't get excessive hot water. And what makes the actual magic happen is the coil. This is what makes the hot water. So we gotta put everything back together once the tubes are done. So it's, you know, it's time consuming. You know, it's tedious work, but the job gotta get done, because without this, they have no business. So we want to put them back in business, get them back online. So hopefully we can do that in the next couple of hours. Boiler is a very essential part of the home. It's a very big essential part of a business. So stay tuned, guys. We're back.